Today I'm going to show you how you can make your very own stickers using a Cricut. We are going to add a fun holographic effect, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, these are so easy to make. You will need sticker paper, self-adhesive lamination sheets, or what I'm using today, which is holographic laminate sheets. A printer, I'm using the Epson EcoTank inkjet, and a Cricut machine, which is optional. You don't even need a cutting machine to do this, but it is much easier with one. I'll leave a link to all these supplies in the description box of this video. This method will work for any image you upload, but I'm going to show you using my Christmas sticker set. I offer a sticker sheet layout with my stickers along with the individual images, but for this tutorial I will upload the individual PNG files to make my own sticker sheet. I save all graphics as a complex image. Click Apply and Continue on this page, and then select Print then Cut Image and the green button to upload. I do this for all the images I want to make a sticker of. Next, I select all the images I just uploaded and add to the canvas, and then I make them all small enough to fit the screen. In order to get the most out of my sticker sheet, I click on Shapes and select the square. I adjust the size to 6.75 by 9.25 inches, which is the max size you can print then cut. Then send the layer to the back of the images by right-clicking on the square shape in the Layers panel and click on Send to Back. Now I place my images inside the rectangle. Once I get them to fit within the shape, I delete the rectangle and select all images. Now I click on the flatten button, which is on the bottom right hand corner, and all your images should stay together just like this. And now I click on the green button to make it. Insert your sticker paper into your printer and select the Send to Printer button. Uncheck the Add Bleed button and then click on Print. Once it prints, you should have a black border around the images. And now I'm going to add the holographic laminate sheet to the top. Here I am measuring my laminate to my stickers and cutting it to the correct size. Peel back the top portion, revealing part of the sticker, and stick it to your sticker sheet. Make sure you are only covering inside of the black lines, otherwise the Cricut sensor will not pick up the lines properly. I'm using a ruler to help me stick the laminate to the sheet and remove any air bubbles. Peel the laminate back and use the ruler to smooth it down. Continue doing this until you have covered all of your stickers. Now you can place the sheet onto your Cricut mat and smooth it down. Back in Design Space, I select the medium cardstock option with more pressure. Load your mat into the Cricut and start cutting. First, your Cricut will take some time to scan the black border before it starts cutting. Once your Cricut machine is done cutting, unload the mat and pull off your stickers. And this is how they've turned out. You can also do this with clear gloss laminate if holographic is not your thing. That is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will list and link everything in the description, including my Christmas sticker bundle I have used today. If you aren't already, subscribe for more videos. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments section, and I will see you in the next tutorial.